See, in this video, I'm going to show you a job about Amazon, wherein which you have an opportunity to work from home, and the salary per month is 25,000, in which you'll be earning more than 3 lakhs per year, and basic qualification, minimum qualification is inter, and you can be a graduate or a postgraduate too, and the job role is technical support associate. And you have the description and the job link in my description box. If you have any queries, just try to comment in the comment box so that I'll be able to reply. I'll be showing you all the registration process and the exam pattern, instructions and all. Let's get started. See, this is the registration link, and you will be directed to a registration form. And here then you will be like, the job role is virtual technical support, in which you have to fill all the details, and this is the standard job. You cannot modify, or you don't have any option to change the role. Okay, here are the personal details that you have to fill, and then language details about in which language you are proficient and what's your mother tongue and all. And you have to fill the disability details, and then citizenship, address details, and highest educational profile, experience details. If you are a fresher, then you can put for the options fresher. If you are experienced, then you can select the option experienced. If you are experienced, then you have to select the experienced level as well, and you will be given some questions like, are you interested in customer support associate role, or are you comfortable with the salary and rotational shifts, and are you willing to interact with the customers via telephone, chat and email. This kind of questions you have to answer all these. And then documents, you have to attach your PAN card and all, and Aadhaar card you have to attach if you have Aadhaar card. See, you have to attach your Aadhaar number as well as your Aadhaar card, and here you have to attach your passport size photo. And then if you click here, you'll get the terms and conditions of Amazon. If you are aware of them, then you can submit the form. After submission of this form, before 24 hours, 1 to 24 hours in between, you will receive a mail from the Amazon, in which you will have like, the registration form has been submitted, and you will be given a link for assessment, in which you have to write an exam in order to qualify. See, this is the like, you'll be receiving an email like this for online test invitation. In this, it will be like, you have been invited to attend the online assessment for the position of customer service associate. Okay, here will be the interview instructions. In order to write the exam, you have to have a laptop of Windows 8 or 10, and you should have the Google Chrome browser version 75 and above, and you should have the RAM and processor of 4 GB, plus you should have the fifth generation computer or the higher versions. You should have the stable internet connection, and you can check whether you're having all these credentials with your computer here or not, using this link, in which you can assess the compatibility of your system. And interview instruction is nothing but you have to complete the exam within the 45 no 48 hours after receiving the mail. And it is a web proctored test, in which you have to on your webcam and your microphone, and keep avoiding background noise while taking the test. And you should not have any kind of breakouts like, uh, technical issues in the middle. If you have any breakouts in the middle of the test, you will be disqualified. and you should complete this test in only one sitting. Online assessment pattern will be of different modules you'll be having, which lasts for around 2.5 hours, and you will have 20 questions in the first round, which is the basic English test, in which you'll be given some kind of antonyms, synonyms, fill in the blanks and all in this first round, which is a very easy kind of thing. You can be easily qualified. And second round will be like 10 minutes registration, followed by 25 minutes written version test. This written version test is nothing but you'll be given a paragraph in which you have to paraphrase into your own words, and then you will have an email writing module, and then you will be having a there'll be some video or audio played, and you have to write answers listening to the audio. Okay, you will have 20 minutes for cultural assessment, in which they'll be asking very simple questions which you can easily attempt, and 30 minutes for virtual job tryout. This round you should be a bit keen in attempting the answers, because it's nothing but related to your common sense. Try not to make mistakes in this round. Just try to answer with a broad minded kind of thing. Okay, and you will be provided with the test URL, username and password at the bottom. If you click this test URL, you'll be directed to the test page. See here, I'm going to click this, and then you'll be directed to a test page in which you will have instructions and all. Here, if you have any technical queries, you can contact, email or chat with the technical support. Here, if you click, you'll be like launching the test, username and password. Then you have to log in, and then you'll be able to redirect to the test. After completion of the test, if you are qualified, you will receive an email within 24 hours to 48 hours. And if you are not qualified, you will not receive any kind of email. You can otherwise check whether you're qualified or not at Amazon dashboard. See, I'll be showing you the other mail wherein which you can check your test at Amazon dashboard. See, the other thing is, uh, see, if your application status is incomplete, you will be sent a mail like this, wherein which you can click on the link and complete the application process. If you have completed the application process, you will be getting a mail in which they will be they will be providing you the dashboard and all, which will be very easy for you to track your